Floaty Dual Hammock Tent Setup Guide. Step 1. Choose 2 trees over 11.5 feet apart. Lay out the tent. Insert poles through the sleeves, including the center loop. Attach the tree straps at about 1 meter high and near ground level. Use carabiners to secure the M-straps, top to top. Tighten upper straps to lift the tent slightly above desired height. Bottom to corners. Then tighten lower straps until poles curve slightly upward. Install arch pole at each diagonal. Bend it slightly if needed. Loosen and adjust the center divider strap for desired width. Test it out. Attach rainfly using buckles, Velcro, and guy lines. Install the gear net under the tent for extra storage. Done.